Let me put what I already tried back in the box. I'm very pleasantly surprised by this box. I am getting a little bit of a tummy ache. Is this in here too? Yes. Those were my favorite. Okay. Thank you guys for the follows. Always better to be surprised versus disappointed. 100%. How's the summer been treating you? It's been really hot. It is a surprise box. It is. It's called Universal Yums. How did you lose 100 pounds? A GLP-1 and a diet. Just watching what I eat. But I don't want to talk about that right now. I'm eating snacks, okay? It's fatty time. We're gonna try these. Wafer sticks. These look good. You have all the best Korean snacks. Period. I'm scared to try that drink though. Okay. That's what it looks like. No, I gotta stop. That low-key tasted like dirt. Hi. You sound like my hometown people. You must be down south. I am down south. It's 77 degrees. Ooh, that's good weather. Was it nasty? Yes, it tasted like dirt. I rate that one a 2. It's not awful, but I wouldn't eat it again. Okay, let's try this one next. It's churros. I love churros. Did you hear the sad news of the passing of the actor Sam Neill? I did. You look like you have lost weight since last stream. Not really, but thank you. Question mark. Good night. I've just been at a steady weight at the moment. These look yummy. Ooh, they smell good too. Ooh, yeah. That smells just like a churro. I thought you were AI. Guys, as much as I like, as much as I want to like interact with the weight comments, I don't really want to, because there's so much more to life than how much a person weighs and if you lose weight, if you gain weight. Like, I get it, but I just want to, like, I'm trying snacks right now, so I don't really want to talk about things to do with weight. There's more to talk about. There's so much more to life than how much you weigh. And that's my 2 cents on that. I'm not trying to be mean, but yeah. I've always wanted to try those boxes. The Japanese snacks variety looks good. They're, honestly, the past few ones that I've got, I was a little worried because I didn't like them. But this one has given me new hope because I actually really like this box. It tastes good. And these taste very much like a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And for that, I'm going to give them an 8.5 out of 10. You started watching Game of Thrones? Do you like it? How's the snacks going? I'm almost finished. They're good though. This has been my favorite box out of all the boxes that I've gotten. I feel like each box can be hit and miss. It can. I'm very surprised by this one. I've said that like 6 times already, but I really am. Okay, we're gonna try these. There's shoes. There is a strawberry flavor and a grape flavor. I think I'm gonna try this strawberry first. I miss Cinnamon Toast Crunch or basically any childhood cereal. Real. A lot of my actions that I do at this day and age in time is I love nostalgic things. Like, I watch cartoons all the time. I'll buy things from my childhood just to get, you know, that hit of like, oh, this is how life used to be. I be doing that shit all the time. I got stuffies in my room. Like, life is too serious. Thank you for the roses. How do you get these boxes? Go on Universal Yums. We have those in Canada. We call them high chews. Oh, we have high chews. Is that what this is? It's like a high chew. Do you rate the food and the people who make the boxes decide on what to send based upon your own personal taste? No, they just send you whatever. Which cartoons have you been watching? Last night I watched Tom and Jerry and SpongeBob. This is what the strawberry looks like. It smells good. Ooh, oh, it's kind of chewy. Ooh, those are very chewy. The flavor is good though. I'm low-key scared to swallow this because it's so chewy, so I'm gonna take it out. I'm not trying to get choked. The flavor is good though. Flavor, that's like a